So let's go to the next obstacle force, which is the linear acceleration force. And this force is not coming due to some external factor. It is some sort of imaginary force that we apply backside of the vehicle. So let me give you an explanation of it. So all we know that motor is there inside the vehicle to overcome something, and what we know that when vehicle try to accelerate, motor is delivering the huge amount of power, and we can think in other sense it is trying to overcome some external force. What are those external force? And that external force we define as an imaginary force as a linear acceleration force. So amount of that force we calculate using formula F is equal to ma, which is shear, and the direction of this force we apply towards the backside of the vehicle. Now what is m is nothing but the mass of the vehicle, and a is nothing but the linear acceleration of the vehicle. So this is all about the linear acceleration force.